Welcome to my channel Ztroder Clout. Here, we teach you how to make money online quickly and effectively. How to make money online in 2025. Opening scene. Background music playing. Host appears on screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics. How to make money online in 25. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time online career, I've got you covered with the latest and most effective methods. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that can maximize your earnings. Show animated title. How to make money online in 2025. Section 1. Freelancing and remote work. Show clips of people working from home. Freelancing is one of the most flexible ways to make money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer continue to grow, allowing you to offer skills like writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. If you have expertise in something, you can monetize it. And with AI tools becoming more advanced, you can even use them to speed up your work and take on more clients. Tip appears on screen. Build a strong portfolio to attract clients. Section 2. Content creation and social media. Show clips of YouTubers, TikTokers, and bloggers. Content creation is booming. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogging, creating engaging content can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key is consistency and finding a niche that people love. AI tools like ChatGPT can even help with scripting and content planning. Tip appears on screen. Choose a niche you're passionate about and stay consistent. Section 3. E-commerce and dropshipping. Show clips of people packing and shipping products. Online stores are easier than ever to start with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon FBA. If you don't want to handle inventory, dropshipping is a great option where suppliers ship products directly to customers on your behalf. Find trending products, use social media ads to promote them, and optimize your store for sales. AI-powered chatbots can even help with customer service. Tip appears on screen. Use AI tools to automate and optimize your e-commerce business. Section 4. Affiliate marketing. Show graphics of commission earnings. Affiliate marketing is another passive income stream. By promoting products from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale, you earn a commission on every sale made through your link. To succeed, create valuable content that recommends useful products and services. A blog, YouTube channel, or even TikTok can work wonders. Tip appears on screen. Provide genuine recommendations to build trust with your audience. Section 5. Selling digital products and online courses. Show clips of people creating and selling digital products. If you have knowledge or skills to share, why not monetize them? Create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, and online courses on platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, or Teachable. Once created, these products can generate passive income for years. Tip appears on screen. Digital products require effort upfront, but pay off in the long run. Bonus tip: AI and automation. Show AI-powered software in action. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip: leverage AI tools. AI is revolutionizing online income streams, helping with automation, content creation, customer service, and even stock trading. Use AI smartly to scale your business and maximize efficiency. Section 6. Investing and Crypto Trading. Show clips of stock market and crypto charts. Another great way to make money online is through investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs. Platforms like Robinhood, Binance, and eToro make it easier than ever to get started. If you're new, consider dollar cost averaging, DCA, and learning about risk management before diving in. AI-powered trading bots can also help automate strategies and maximize gains. Tip appears on screen. Invest wisely and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Section 7. Print-on-demand business. Show clips of custom t-shirts and mugs being printed. Print-on-demand is another low-risk business model. You create designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or even home decor. And companies like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle the printing and shipping for you. The best part? You don't need to hold inventory or worry about logistics. Just focus on creating awesome designs and marketing them. Tip appears on screen. Focus on trendy and niche designs to stand out. Section 8. Virtual assistants and online jobs. Show clips of people working remotely as virtual assistants. Virtual assistants is in high demand. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer service. Websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands offer remote job opportunities for virtual assistants. Tip appears on screen. Strong organizational skills can help you stand out as a VA. Section 9. Podcasting and audio content. Monetization. Show clips of podcasters recording. Podcasting is growing rapidly, and it's a great way to generate income through sponsorships, listener donations, and ad placements. Platforms like Spotify, Anchor, and Apple Podcasts allow you to monetize your audio content. Tip appears on screen. Find a unique topic and engage with your audience consistently. Section 10. Online coaching and consulting. Show clips of online coaching sessions. If you have expertise in a certain field, coaching or consulting can be highly profitable. Platforms like Zoom, Clarity.fm, and Coach.me help you connect with clients looking for advice and guidance. Tip appears on screen. Build credibility through testimonials and content marketing. Bonus tip: AI and automation. Show AI-powered software in action. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Leverage AI tools. AI is revolutionizing online income streams, helping with automation, content creation, customer service, and even stock trading. Use AI smartly to scale your business and maximize efficiency. Tip appears on screen. Stay ahead by embracing AI technology. Closing scene. Host back on screen, engaging with viewers. And that's it for today. These are some of the best ways to make money online in 25. Which method interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insightful content. See you in the next video. Outro music and CTA screen. Subscribe for more content.